It is just a 3-step process to fix DNS probe. Finished, no internet problem in Windows 10. Go to search bar and type CMD. Right click here and click on run as administrator. It will open command prompt. Then type this command ipconfig/release and hit enter. Then type ipconfig/all and hit enter. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and hit enter. Then type ipconfig/renew and hit enter. Then type net/sh int ipset DNS and hit enter. Then type net/sh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt. Again go to start icon, then click on settings, then select network and internet, then select Ethernet tab and click on change adapter options. Right click on Ethernet, click on properties, select IPv4 and click on properties. Okay, check this option and type 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then check this option and click on OK. Click on close and it will start detecting problems. Okay, close it and close all windows. Again go to File Explorer, right click on it and click on Properties, click on Device Manager, then expand Network Adapter, right click here and click on Update Driver. Select this option, then this, then select first model and click on Next. It will take some time to complete its process. Then close it and just restart your system. Your problem will be solved. You're good to go.